Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for February 24th, 2014. We're a little bit colder than what we've been for the past few days, with temperatures ranging from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the northern interior, mid 30s over the New York City metropolitan area, and mid to upper 30s over the Philadelphia metropolitan area. Once again, the warm spot is the New Jersey coast, ranging from the upper 30s to lower 40s. Temperatures aren't going to be moving all that much for the rest of the day today, with a steady northwesterly flow around 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusting to 25 miles per hour at times. It's going to feel rather chilly out there. Temperatures pretty much where they are for the rest of the day, and then feeling like they're in the upper 20s with these strong winds. The good news is no precipitation threat. The cold front has exited well off the coast, and any snow showers that did linger on this morning are now out over the Atlantic. We do have some lake effect snow, but that will not reach the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, but will produce plenty of snow for Buffalo and Syracuse and Oswego. Luckily for us, we will not have to deal with any of that whatsoever, aside from a few passing snow flurries. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see high pressures in pretty much control over much of the eastern United States. Now, there are a few mid-level disturbances embedded in the flow here. You can see one here, one here. That'll produce some snow showers for tomorrow. Not anything significant, no real accumulation, maybe a dusting to an inch, if that. But there will be a threat for a few of those scattered snow showers. And then when we take a look at the water vapor satellite picture, you can clearly see we have another disturbance on the way that's diving south from British Columbia and moving into the Pacific Northwest, and will be reaching the East Coast by Wednesday morning. Now, for the most part, looking at light snow, 1 to 3 inches. There's a chance that central and southern New Jersey could get a few more inches, maybe 4 or 5 inches out of this as the low pressure system exits off the coast with some interaction from the Atlantic Ocean. Really not a big deal, I don't think, as this disturbance will rapidly exit off the coast and then remains cold and generally dry for much of the rest of this week. This weekend, it'll be another threat for another minor snow threat. But again, I don't foresee any major winter storms over the next 7 days, which is good news. Yes, it's cold, but at least we're not digging out a foot of snow, for example. So let's take a look at the latest forecast from the European Model Guidance via the Penn State U-Ball website. For today, high pressure generally taking control. Temperatures aren't going to be moving all that much. What you have now is what you'll have this afternoon, which is basically mid to upper 30s along the coast and upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, with a stiff northwesterly wind making temperatures feel like the mid 20s. For tomorrow, again, there'll be a threat for a few isolated snow showers, but nothing major really. Temperatures remain cold in the upper teens to lower 20s for lows and lower to mid 30s for highs. Remember, temperatures right now should be in the mid 40s, so we're running about 10 to 15 degrees below normal for this time of year. On Wednesday, we have that disturbance that will move off the coast. You can see it out here already by Wednesday evening. Again, a light snow threat for the most part. By the time we get to the afternoon, it'll be well out into the Atlantic with clearing skies. So this is clearly just a morning event that's going to be brief, 6 hours at most as far as impacts. And most locations will clear out completely by the afternoon as high pressure takes hold. Look for temperatures on Wednesday to range from the upper teens to lower 20s for lows and mid to upper 20s for highs. A very cold day will be in place, that is for sure. But again, only a light snow threat. So if you have travel plans in the morning, obviously the morning rush hour, that might be a little bit dicey with some more delays than normal. But other than that, not that bad of an event. For the rest of the week, for Thursday and for Friday, high pressure will be in control, and we can extend it all the way into Saturday as well, with tranquil weather conditions for the most part. A cold front will approach late on Saturday with some snow showers. Temperatures through the period will range from the upper 20s to mid 30s for highs and lower to mid teens for lows. By Saturday, we warm up into the mid to upper teens for lows and mid to upper 30s for highs. Now on Sunday, another disturbance will potentially be off the coast. We'll have to watch out for that for some light snow, but we're really not expecting much in the way of accumulation. For Sunday, look for mid to upper 20s for lows and lower to mid 30s for highs. A few upper 30s possible along the New Jersey coast. And then we have to watch another disturbance here for the middle to early part of next week for a more significant snowfall. Well, that is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.